Be the good girl you always have to be.
Yeah. Let go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. I don't
Na-delay siya, guys.
hold it back
Ano?
anymore. Uy,
Mali-mali yung lyrics niya, ate.
May sarili siya kanta ba eh.
Lyrics! Ano ang that's game? May bagong lyrics siya.
Let it go.
Malakas pa siya sa speaker.
There's no guys, no way. Finally, they open up again.
People, it'll be totally strange.
Wala na talaga. Hinabol niya pa talaga yung ano.
Bakit ka delay?
Hi guys, there's a snowstorm today.
Hi, vlogger.
Hi vlogger. What's the temperature today?
Winter storm nakalagay.
What duman?
Feels like negative 19. Ako din. Ate, manipis dyan.
I love snow.
Ay, magduman ka. Kita tita dang. Taas na lang ni. Taas akong gloves. Baka talagang gloves ever since.
Ever since. Ano mo nang pinanganak na may gloves? Hi guys. It's Sunday and there's a snowstorm today. Well, we love snow. So we're going to walk from our house going to Tita Dang's house. So it's I think it's 15 or 10 minutes walk. Look at the snow, guys. Like yung snow is until here. And I'm just waiting for my sibling. So I'm here alone. Help! Anyway, let's go outside. While I'm still waiting for them, we're gonna check how lalim the snow. Hindi pa naman siya ganun kalalim, guys, but still. Magsa-snow angel sila, guys. And we're gonna be the snowman. Ew! So we're gonna see.
Oh my God. Guys, ang ganda ng shoes ko, Tira. Aray! Look at me, look at me.
Naka-video ako.
Tingnan nyo, guys.
Ay, hindi niya na-feel.
Mag-bend siya ganyan.
Guys, dito guys. Oh.
Sure. Uy, nag-logs ang anak na.
Maribili. Dati naman.
Drive siya.
Brother,
Ate, paano kung umihi yung aso dyan kanina? Si kuya kasi. Kala mo talaga swimming pool. See guys, there's no cars. I mean, walang masyadong car.
Ihi na ako.
May reklamo na mga kasama ko doon.
Can't hold it back anymore.
I'm gonna go there first because I can't feel my legs, my hands, and my feet. Uy, Narnia! Narnia! You guys know that Narnia is my favorite, like it's my childhood movie. Anyway, we're almost there, guys. This is the house. Tita Dang's house. Guys, I want to take a picture too, but the outfit is not good. I look like lumpia. We're here, guys! Yay! Finally, we survived! Outfit. Finally.
My ears are numb, bro.
Ang ganda ng elevator dito, di ba? Yung sa amin, bulok.
1, 2, 3.
Di ba ito? This is the view from 14th floor.
Guys, unboxing. Hi guys!
Nagdila siya. Na si Lion.
Guys, nahulog yung cellphone ko. One.
G.
Guys, I just want to thank God for everything that He has done for us, for our family. We were able to experience in our life, which we have only dreamed when we were young. Thank you, Lord, for everything that you've done in our family.
It's really a blessing.
You're,
It's
Lord,
really
you're
like,
really good. Lord, you are good and your mercy is good and forever.
Well guys, we're tired now. We're going home now.
The wind is stronger than a while ago.
So guys, I can't see anything.
Zero visibility.
Rest tayo, dapat ano lang. Bawal magtataas ng paa, dapat slide lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
I can't feel my ears. We're here at Rava. We're gonna buy marshmallow. Alta's gonna make hot chocolate for us. And we're just following her.
Nanigas na yung mukha ko.
It's all frozen now.
My face red.
Yeah. Mukha mo si Sasa, girl. Ito talaga si Mima.
Kasi may blush on pa ako.
There's no marshmallow, guys. Ano naman? Sa gilid ng keyboard.
So the portrait pictures are so good.
So good.
Yeah, bro. Like, bro, look at this. Is that me? Not me, bro?
Kamukha mo si Sasa, girl.
Say hi to the new
Ito, oh.
Ay, mayo ka maya.
Dun sa gitna, be. Ay, dun, be, sa may baba, sa may Park Towers.
Hi, guys. My phone's dead. R.I.P. My sister's phone. We're just going home now. We just bought hot chocolate powder, marshmallow, marshmallow, and my gummies.
What if one time, because of the climate change, it's gonna be snowing but it's hot?
But in the theory, that's it for my vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and goodbye.
Hey guys, round 2. Say hi, vlog. Oh my days.
So today, it's 8:30 p.m. And guys, look at the snow, bro. So, the outfit is giving.
It's like the combination of winter and summer. Isang fashion icon. Antiques, heart ng lista, kabahan na kayo.
Brother.
Tingnan niyo ako.
No, today it's no joke. Last year, when when there's a snowstorm, it's not like this. But bro, today it's crazy. I'm going to I'm going back again with this shovel. I'm gonna help them, guys. Wow, very generous, very kind, very obedient servant of God. They're cleaning Kuya JJ's car. Uy!